Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to add proxy access on DataView or self-service, which is this screen right here. Proxy access basically means that you are going to allow somebody else to view either your grades, your finances, or both. You have to add anybody that you want to be able to see this information as a proxy. If you give out your DataView login, you will be locked out. It'll be a very sad time for you. So just don't do it. If somebody is going to be paying for your tuition, you will need to set this up. It is very important. So there's two ways that you can add proxies from this screen. You can come up here to this little icon with your username by it. You click on it. There's going to be a drop-down menu that pops up. You're going to click on this third option here that says View/Add Proxy Access. Now, when you scroll down here, you're going to see active proxies. And then you have this option that says add a proxy. And then you just go down here to this drop down. And then you can select proxies or click add another user. And this is what you're going to see. You're going to fill out first name, last name, and an email address. The email address is all you really need. Obviously, it also wants you to fill in their birthday, but this is what's going to give them their personal login information to log into DataView and see whatever it is you allow them to see. Now down here on access, you can do allow complete access, which will allow them to see everything that is selected here. Or you can click allow select access, and you can choose if you want them to be able to see these things for student finance, financial aid, academics, general notifications, tax information. You can choose anything from this list that you want them to see or don't want them to see. If you don't want your proxy to see it, just simply unclick it. And if you want them to see everything in a category, like you see that I'm doing here, you can just select the box next to it. It'll fill in everything underneath of it. So then you're just going to go down here and say, I authorize the institution to disclose my information to this party. Check that box, hit submit, and it'll add the proxy for you. There is another way to do this. If we go back to the home page, if you go down here to user options on the sidebar, again, View/Add Proxy Access, it'll take you to the same page.